E1 indoor room temperature sensor failure. E2 indoor coil temperature sensor failure. E4 EEPROM wrong. E7 communication failure between indoor and outdoor. E14 indoor fan motor failure. E18 temperature cutoff. F1 module failure. F2 outdoor DC motor failure. F4 compressor overheat discharging temperature. F5 module overcurrent current transducer failure. F6 outdoor ambient temperature sensor. F7 outer section defrosting temperature sensor. F8 high pressure. F9 low pressure. F10 no AC power supply. F11 outer PCB EEPROM. F13 communication failure outdoor PCB and module. F14 compressor discharging temperature sensor failure. F15 compressor running faulty. F6 main running stage detecting circuit failure.